Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, so before i-blow ni Marcus yung candle niya, birthday wish muna ni Mommy and Daddy for Marcus.
Hindi ako ready doon.
Ayun na, siya dapat sa akin. Magsasalita eh. Ay! Oh my God! Salita! Nagatulang ako! Good health na this year. Unlike last year. Ngayon lang, galing ko siya paglaki.
Bakit ang ngayon lang? Ngayong taon lang. Next year hindi na good health.
Bayanan tayo pa. Lalo na ako, good health! Hindi ako ng lola.
Good health siya hanggang paglaki niya.
Magkabuo.
Ready to behave.
Medyo lang, sir. Medyo masyado. Magpakulit. Pakulit. Wait lang. Wala niya sabi sila.
Mukhang maayos.
Alright, so Marcus, in behalf of McDonald's Evangelista, we wish you to be a good boy someday, God-fearing, and more blessings to your family. You may now blow your candle. Okay, let's give Marcus a big round of applause.